In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a note in Obsidian on mobile. If you're cleaning up your vault or removing a draft you no longer need, these steps will walk you through it clearly so you can do it with confidence. Start by opening the Obsidian app on your phone or tablet. When Obsidian loads, you might see a list of vaults. A vault is simply a workspace that contains your notes and folders. Tap the vault you want to work in, then tap Open Vault to enter it. Take a second to confirm you're in the right vault, especially if you keep personal and work notes separate. Once your vault is open, look to the top left for the square sidebar toggle. Tap this icon to reveal the left sidebar, which shows your folders and files. If the sidebar is already visible, you're good to go. Navigating from this panel makes it easier to spot the file you want to remove. Browse through your folders in the sidebar and find the note you want to delete. Tap the note to open it so you can double-check its contents. Verifying the file before deletion helps prevent removing the wrong thing, particularly if you have similarly named notes. With the note open on your screen, look to the top right and tap the three-dot menu. This opens the Notes Action menu. From the options that appear, tap Delete File. Obsidian will ask for confirmation to make sure you really want to remove this note from the vault. When the confirmation prompt appears, tap Delete again to confirm. This final tap is important because it prevents accidental deletions. After you confirm, the note is removed from your vault. Keep in mind that deleting a note will break any links pointing to it, and attachments that belonged only to that note may still remain in your vault unless you remove them separately later. If at any point you realize you selected the wrong file, simply cancel at the confirmation step and no changes will be made. Interface details can vary slightly depending on your device, but the flow, open the vault, open the sidebar, select the note, use the menu, and confirm deletion remains the same. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely delete any note you no longer need in Obsidian on mobile.